All right, diving in today, folks, and we are tackling something that's both simple and honestly kind of perfect.
Yeah.
Cucumber egg toast.
Cucumber egg toast.
We're working off the recipe you sent, simply titled Pasted Text. And I gotta say, just looking at it, I'm already intrigued.
It is one of those things where you look at it and you're like, I could make that right now.
Right.
But then you think, okay, maybe there's actually more to it than meets the eye.
Exactly. And that's what we're here for today, right?
Yeah.
Like, how can we take this really simple, delicious sounding dish and sort of unlock its full potential? What are the little nuances, the tips and tricks that maybe we wouldn't think of just glancing at the ingredients? So let's break it down, shall we?
Yeah, let's do it.
First off, the essentials, right? We're talking 2 slices of bread, and the recipe's pretty smart about this, actually, saying anything from basic white bread to like a hearty whole wheat or even a sourdough will do.
Yeah.
Then you've got your 2 eggs, of course, and half a cucumber, thinly sliced.
Yes.
And for toasting, a tablespoon of butter or olive oil.
You know, I think that flexibility with the bread is really, really key here because
Totally.
a denser bread, like a sourdough, is going to give you a much different experience than using, let's say, just a really soft white bread.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Absolutely, like in terms of the chew, how it interacts with the topping.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay, so we've got our base, but now this is where things start to get fun. This is where we can really kind of play around and make this cucumber egg toast our own, because the recipe lists a bunch of optional ingredients that I think really open up the possibilities.
Yeah.
We've got a tablespoon of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper for those eggs,
Of course.
a little kick, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, a teaspoon of sesame seeds, love some good texture,
Yes.
and then to finish it all off, fresh herbs like parsley or chives.
So many good options.
Right.
Yeah.
It's amazing how just a few like simple additions can really change the whole vibe of the dish, right?
And the thing is, it allows you to tailor it
Totally.
to exactly what you want.
Yeah.
So if you're feeling like, you know what, I want something that's like creamy and rich, you go the mayonnaise route. But if you want a little bit of a kick, you know, a little zing, you add the chili flakes.
And those sesame seeds, not just for texture, but also
The flavor.
that nutty, toasty flavor. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's so good.
Okay, so we've got our ingredients all prepped. We're ready to roll. What's the first step?
Time to toast the bread.
Of course.
Get those 2 slices in a pan with some butter or olive oil, and we're looking for that beautiful,
Golden brown.
golden brown. Yes.
That's so key, right? Because not only does it look gorgeous, but it also tells you that you've hit that perfect level of crispness.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And have you ever noticed how when you toast bread, it actually changes the flavor a bit too?
Oh, for sure.
There's this
Subscribe for more tips like this.